Hey, it's Hannah with WTI, and this is my Shark Ultralight Pet Pro. This vacuum is so fantastic. It is super lightweight, and I love how convenient the stick vacuum is and how this breaks down into three different parts. It has a great pedal on the bottom to take the foot off easily and attach any of the three other attachments that it comes with very easily and quickly. I really love how it comes apart right at the top as well, so you can use it as a short little vacuum that is so lightweight and easy to use. I really appreciate the size of the dust cup on this because it is larger than you think, and I love how easy it is to remove and empty. This is a really great, handy little vacuum. I have 5 pets in the house, so having this Pet Pro is a must have for me. And this little Shark vacuum is up to the task of cleaning up all of the pet hair. The upholstery tool that comes with this vacuum works so well on all of my furniture, and it actually really works well on stair treads. Got a really nice long cord, which I appreciate, so that you can get a large amount of space done without having to unplug the vacuum a million times. So I really find this vacuum to be a great value, and that is my point of view.